Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Thunder Mountain Frontier with 18,239 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle intake, Vance & Hines exhaust, aftermarket grips and mirrors, an Alpine stereo, Accutronics forward controls, front and rear smoke turn signal LED lenses, an LED headlight and passing lamps, an alligator skin seat, tour pack, twin cam Jim's timing cover, aftermarket chrome front wheel, chrome switch housings, aftermarket handlebars, a chain drive, chrome saddlebag latches, passenger footpegs, a chrome rectifier cover, and a blue lightning custom paint scheme. The Frontier is powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor that puts hearty power through a Baker right side drive 6-speed transmission. This chopper is sure to turn heads with its electric paint set, an aggressive design backed by its 300 series rear tire. Customized from end to end and featuring a compression release system, it will make a great addition to any chopper lover's collection. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.